Hello, dear teachers. Welcome to BBConnect, our advanced and future-ready ERP platform designed for educational institutions. In this video, we will dive deeper into the online class module and learn how to conduct online exam. To conduct an online examination in the BBConnect app, first log into your app from the admin button. After you are redirected to the home page, click on the three-line menu button at the top left corner. Then go to the online course section, and under the drop-down, press Online Course again. Select the course or subject on which you want to conduct the online examination. Press the course you want to use. You might have already created your sections and lessons. Under those sections, for example, if you have a poetry section and the relevant lessons are already present, you can conduct the exam for that lesson. Otherwise, you can create a new section for the examination. To add exam, press the third button with the Wi-Fi icon. If you want the answers to be displayed for the students soon after they write the examination, please mark here. But this will be disabled for descriptive questions. Give your exam an appropriate title. You can use the lesson title or the exam name. You'll then have the option to enter the date and time your exam starts from and the date and time your conducted exam ends. Also enter the date of the publishing of the result, the time duration of the exam, and the number of times each student can attempt the exam. For the word limit, you don't have to interfere unless you want some limitations in your answers. Select the appropriate details here as per your exam, and then after entering the description of the exam, you can just save this exam. Now this exam appears here at the display. If you press on the question mark here, you find empty section here. That is because we have not added any questions here. Now to add the questions and make them appear here, we need to go back to our menu using the three-line button. Then we select Online Course. Then we select Question Bank. On entering the module, we get an interface like this. Here we don't need to press on any drop-downs here. Instead, we need to add a question tag for our exam using this button. It can be the chapter name, or exam name, or the same title we used while creating the exam. A question tag is a label that groups a set of questions under it. So after your question tag is ready, now let's put the questions under it. For that, we again go to the menu, press the online course, then question bank. Now, very important, we press the second button to add the questions. Now select the question tag you just saved. Here are 4 types of question in the option. Let's learn on how to put the single choice question. Select the question level and enter the question. Below your question, put 3 to 5 answers with 1 answer as correct. The correct answer, you will have to select at the bottom and then save this question. Your question should display here after you have saved it. In the same way, let's learn on how to put multiple choice question, where we have 1 or more options as correct answer. Select the question tag and question type will be multiple choice. Select the question level and enter your question here. Enter your options and you select your answers at the bottom. Answers can be even more than 1. Save it to make it display here at the front page. In the same way, let's learn on how to put true or false question. Select the question tag and question type will be true or false. Select the question level and enter your question here. Then just select your answer from here and then save it. And this answer also will display at the front page. Now let's learn on how to put descriptive questions. Select the question tag and question type will be descriptive. Select the question level and enter your question here. You can even edit the text of your question as per your need. But remember, you can save only 1 question at a time. Save the question to make it display here at the front page. In the same way, you can save so many questions under a particular question tag. After you have completed saving the questions in the question bank, you can go back to your exam, select the questions you want to add for your exam using this second button, icon with question mark. Press it and just select the questions you want to have for this exam. If it's difficult to find the questions, you can filter the questions using the question tag or keyword. After you have selected the questions, you can check the questions from the second button with document icon. To check the results, click the first button with this article icon. Here you can check all the results performed by your students. That's it. You have successfully conducted an online exam in BBConnect. Thank you.